Hi guys, you're watching Beyond. Everyone would have had nosebleed at least once, and you would have been terrified and worried when you had your nosebleed for the first time. Generally, most of them would have their nosebleed when they are young, but once you grow, you won't be that worried. So, why do our nose bleed? To know, watch the video till the end. This is because our body undergoes a condition called epistaxis. This may be one or two types, that is, anterior or posterior. People usually undergo anterior. This is caused by irritation of our blood vessels in the nasal septum. For better understanding, the nasal septum is the one that separates our two nostrils. The doctors usually check the nasal septum when you undergo difficult breathing. This is because the nasal septum can easily get deviated. The science says that 80% of the people have this problem. In the nasal septum, we have an area called Caselback plexus. At this area, the network of the blood vessels come together from 4 different arteries. This area is very sensitive, and when we give a small pressure with our fingers or when we blow our nose vigorously, the blood vessels may break, causing nosebleed. Many people with BP issues also get nosebleed as the pressure at these blood vessels increases without our notice. At the northern hemisphere, we get lot of winters than summers, due to which lot of nosebleed takes place. This is because the decrease in humidity and temperature prevent nose from getting the required moisture content. Further, this makes the mucous membrane more susceptible, which in turn causes bleeding. So what must we do while our nose is bleeding? It is recommended to pinch the soft part of the nose for about 10 to 15 minutes. This creates a blood clot and stops the blood from bleeding. While doing this, we must lean our head forward. If not, the blood may enter into the throat. The doctors generally block the broken blood vessels by using silver nitrate. Do not do this by yourself, as it is dangerous even if you have silver nitrate with you. Since nose is very sensitive, don't poke or bang it anywhere. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon next to it to get instant notification whenever I release a new video. If you have similar questions, do leave it in the comment section.